Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video on Izingane Zesthembu. So last week there were pictures circulating on the internet which they got from the last week's episode's trailer, which gave us an impression that Umpumelelo was going to Lobola Nompumelelo. But, however, this is not the real story. The real story is Mpumelelo went to Nompumelelo's house to rectify his mistake. His mistakes, which is when Mpumelelo was in relationship with Nompumelelo, he deflowered Nompumelelo. So he went there to rectify that mistake. So according to the culture, Mpumelelo is not allowed to go to Nompumelelo's house when his elders goes to Nompumelelo's house to rectify the mistake, but he went there. And then when he was given an opportunity to introduce himself, he introduced himself as Lwandle Mseleku. So the other thing is the siblings are now in Sun City. However, SNE decided to invite his friends without asking or without getting permission from his siblings. So next week we will see Usne and Tirelo having a conversation. On that conversation, I think Usne was asking Tirelo like how are things between him and Mpumelelo. Then Tirelo was like, no, we are still fine and we are still dating. And then Tirelo, being shady, she was like, you know what, I feel sorry for Umamkulu, my girlfriend. And then Usne, being a big sister, I think it was for dinner. She then asked Umpumelelo if he thinks that Uvuyo and Durelo are okay. So Umpumelelo was not happy with that Usne is poking her nose into his business. So that's it from me. Thank you for watching, guys. See